Hello everyone, it's time for your urgent dose of internet. This man was told that it would cost him $23,000 to replace the battery in his 8-year-old Tesla, so instead he decided to blow it up with dynamite.
Tärkein, eli turvallisuus.
Ooh, those are cooked. Those are cooked. Yeah, it'll be fine.
If you think you're having a bad day, check out this guy. This is flame weed control, where farmers use tanks of propane to burn unwanted pests or weeds.
Dale. Dale, dale.
That will be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed.